Guys, in this video we'll be using Python to read data from URL, and we will be using Pandas library. So let's see how to do it quickly. Import Pandas as PD, and then you have this file. So just open this file. You have your data. Just copy this and say data equal to pd dot read underscore csv and give this URL ID. Now type data. See, it has done the job very nicely, and it has read all the columns and rows. Like you have 150 rows and 5 columns, and you can also read its individual columns. Say data equal to data and give that column ID header. See, this way you can read. You can also read the second column, or maybe you can read fifth column. Yeah, so this way you can read your column using Pandas. So thank you.